Want to experience League of Legends in a whole new way? Let's dive into how you can transform your game into a Japanese audio and text experience. First, locate your League of Legends installation folder. This is usually found in your program files, but it might be different if you chose a custom location during installation. Once you're in the installation folder, find the Legally in Text file, right-click on it, and create a shortcut. This shortcut is going to be the key to our language change. Now, right-click on the shortcut you just created and select Properties. You'll see a target field. In the target field, add a space after the existing text and then type locale equals _JP exactly like that. Make sure you include the 2 dashes before locale. Double check that the target field now includes the original path to Legally in Text, followed by a space, and then locale equals _JP. Click apply and then OK. Now launch League of Legends using this modified shortcut. The client should now start up with Japanese text. Log in as usual. It might take a little longer to load the first time as it downloads the necessary language files. Once you're logged in, go to the settings menu, usually found by clicking the gear icon. Look for the language settings. In the audio settings, change the game language and select Japanese. This will download the Japanese voiceovers. Restart your client after selecting, if it prompts you to. And that's it. You are now ready to enjoy League of Legends with Japanese text and audio. Time to jump in and see how much your game has changed. Have fun.